Good day everyone, welcome to video review unboxing provided by Dpclubs. Thank you my friends for sending me this package, and I have two products in here, which one of them of this organizer that I have in here, I look on a website and I did not see it for the link. It could be discontinued, or maybe I did not find yet. I will try to use this number, which I broke the tag, but I think I can put together to see the number to see if I can find it, because I really love these organizers. They are beautiful. Looks like a lipstick, gold finish, and it's magnetic, as you can see. Hold your needles really well. This is for the needle holders. I usually put inside in here poof ball, then I kind of stick a whole bunch of needles in here, and then you just turn them like you would do lipstick, and it's magnetic. It looks really pretty, and it's just gorgeous. So I hope they do have them at the store. This one would be 7th in my collection. I already have 6 different ones, and I don't have this. I think there's another one that I don't have, maybe even 2 more. But for this one, I think I'm going to hold my gold needles, because I don't have yet to put my gold needles. I kind of separate them by, you know, by the sizes or by the brand, and I really like that. It's beautiful. You can display and it's going to look good, and it holds your needle good for the travel, to keep your needles together, a sharp object, right? So I really hope that I will find a link for you. Now this design is, let me open this squeaky envelope first. Oh, that's the way. Let's open first. Kind of like the easy to pull it out. Look at this. That looks pretty, right? So this one is from Xiaobai. I think I might not pronounce the name correctly. First I was saying Xiaobai, but if I would think how Chinese people talk, they usually don't say Xi, they say Xi, kind of like hard way. Xiaobai, Xi. Maybe that's what, I don't know. But this is the design that I wanted to review for you, and I already love this brand, so I know the quality will be very nicely done. And this design, they first contacted me that it was out of the stock. It was not company not going to provide anymore. So I picked different design, and they come back to me, they say, oh, we have this design now. So I was really happy, because as much as I like, it's not my favorite brown colors to stitch, but knowing that this brands also have Egyptian threads, I believe so, we will see in a minute, it will be stitched very nice and easy, and it's just such a pretty design. This a face of this one big one lion is so gorgeous, and the girl face, she has a pretty hands, her accessories pieces, very pretty, kind of remind what, like Egyptian beauty, maybe Cleopatra. I don't know who she is, but let's see what we have in here in this book. Okay, so we have 8 pages. And in here we have sizing, actually, Ada 14 count, and in stitches 300 by 240. Doesn't have a size in centimeters, but I'm sure you will see this on the website. I will link it up for you under my video in the description box. You can see information up there. And it looks like we have only full cross stitch, and that's it. And we have 52 colors. For just being like a brown design, 52 colors, it should give us a good details. And that's it. Now the pattern in here also printed very beautiful, nice and clear. If you have some problems with the canvas, but I know I have already in my WIP brand Geobio, I'm stitching already, so I know the canvas quality is absolutely gorgeous, should be. So let's see if there's any changes. Let's check it out what we have so far. I don't see any tools. It could be no tools. Do we have at least needle in here or not? Maybe not. Definitely Egyptian threads, and oh my god, the palette are so gorgeous. She is going to be pretty, this lady. Oh, there you go. We have a needles. Needles, we have 26, size 26. Awesome. Awesome. Yes, definitely Egyptian threads. I love to stitch with them. They're not fluffing up and work very well to the end as you stitch. And oh, this turquoise, a little bit of bits in here, pretty thread just for her accessories. There's a one in here and all of them in here, just one strand of each, because in here we have on a mask, and I think it's like a turquoise on her jewelry. If we can look one more time close where they go, see that? Even background of they're interesting. Oh, this line is so pretty. Look at her accessories on her skirt. Gold bracelets and necklace. Color of the threads are very pretty all together. Such a nice and warm palette. It's like a fall time. It's like a fall time, even we're still in the summer. Look at that rosy. That is pretty. Wow, did not expect these colors to be so pretty. I thought it's going to be more like brown, but oh my god, this is the one. My absolutely favorite color. We have a little bit of this turquoise or minty or blue. Lots of people call different colors names. Ocean, I don't know. Look at that. That is nice, a warm palette. Oh, it's warming my heart. This is so pretty. Very pretty. This is DMC, and here is the canvas, 14 count. Okay, look at this one. Wow. Canvas printed, very nice. We have in here their logo, the quality license, the name probably, in stitches size, and in here we have a printed symbols, very good clarity. Look at that. You don't even need to go to the book, you can just look symbol right in here. And here is the canvas quality. Hold on, look how good it looks. Like it's a confetti, lots of change of colors maybe in some area. Let's check it out. For example, in here, let's see on this side. Not bad. How about I think there's a lots of colors changing in here. Where's the wall, like for the background? But this brand also have a very nice quality printed canvas. Oh, I love it. And the other thing, like they do have big borders of extra fabric already stitched all the way around, serged. And it's so pretty. It is pretty. I really love this threads in here. So I will link it up for you, this design for sure. It is available at the store as of right now, but also of these containers if you want to. If I don't find, I will email to the company and see if they can bring it back or not. Maybe they already discontinued to create them. But also I know this at Dpclubs, for you important information to remember. When you're looking on cross-stitch at the top of the banners of their website, cross-stitch, and there is a brand up there, and this brand or fairy brand or the other brand, like a fancy brand, expensive, they not in that list. So you would never knew even have XioBio brand if I accidentally saw, because I was scrolling through the new product. That's how I found. I click on cross stitch and new in first to see, and then I see all this brand that actually not on the top, doesn't state them on the top of the website. So that's kind of important to know if you're looking for some like a fairy brands up there. They also have XioBio, KS, maybe not that one, I don't know, but just to check the whole product what they have up there, because if you look in just for the brand that they write down up there, this like not existing up there. And I told the store and they say they cannot change the website right now. I don't know what kind of rules up there about that. But that's kind of like I consider a big mistake for the store, because people looking for those brands and they can't find it unless you just scrolling through the whole products and you just see what brand saying under the each design. So keep that in mind, okay? And definitely I would say I recommend, if you like this kind of threads to stitch with, Egyptian threads, they are really nice. They strong, don't break, and literally I'm stitching to the very end of my needle thread that can't even stitch anymore. That's how good this thread is. And it kind of remind me of fairy brand. I don't know if they printed maybe together somewhere, I don't know, but even like a packaging similar, right? Kind of identical, I would say. The only thing different, this kind of envelope, I like that. It's same kind of envelope like Spring brand have. And Paris. Who loves Paris? My daughter would love to travel there one day, she say. Okay, so that's it for today. Very short mini unboxing, but I do have more product already arrived and more on the way. So this week again we will have quite a bit of unboxing, but don't worry, I have some good progress on cross stitch. We will do with you stitch together, of course, every Wednesday, every Sunday for sure, and another day as much time as I have. So thank you today for staying with me, my friends. I will see you tomorrow, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yes, so tomorrow the Ambilight, if you stitch in that design, bring it with you, and we will meet up with my little bird. Have a good day. I see you tomorrow.